Hello.
Hi. So, in the third competition,
Rital is the winner.
yes,
Yeah, excellent, Rital. You are perfect.
Rital is the winner
Yes.
in the third competition. So, clap your hands for Rital, please. So, I have winner in first competition,
Thank you.
and winner in second competition, and winner in the third competition, and I'm so proud of you. Clap your hands for all, please. Thank you for all. I'm so proud
You
of
are
you.
perfect, also.
Yes. So we give a lot example for solid and liquid and gas matter, and we can define solid and liquid and gases matter. And now we talked about the change or the transformation between the matter. When I see solid change into liquid by melting. Liquid change into gas by evaporation. Gas change into liquid by condensation. Liquid change into solid by freezing. So the matter change into another matter by process. Solid change into liquid by melting. Liquid change into gas by evaporation. Gas change into liquid by condensation. Liquid change into solid by freezing. I have this process, and we must know the definition of each process. When I see solids, I know solid can change into liquid by melting. Melting means heating, increase in temperature. So solid can change into liquid by heating. This is the definition of melting. Let's see the change of matter from the solid state to the liquid state by heating. Just it is? Yeah, it's easy. It's the change of matter from the solid state to the liquid state by heating. So heating mean increased temperature or decreased temperature?
Increase.
Perfect. And when I talk about evaporation, I see liquids change into water vapor by heating. So liquid change into gas by heating. So heating mean increased temperature or decreased temperature?
Increase.
Increase else, perfect. So heating presence in evaporation and melting. But condensation means the gas convert into or change into liquid by cooling. So cooling means decreased temperature or increased temperature?
Decrease.
Yeah. And the last one is freezing. That means water change into solid. So the liquid change into solid by cooling. This is mean freezing.
Decreasing of temperature.
Thank you. So heating and melting and what?
And
Heating
what?
and melting and evaporation.
Evaporation.
But cooling in condensation and freezing.
Yeah.
So we must know this note. Melting is the opposite process of freezing. Melting mean solid change into liquid. Freezing mean liquid change into solid. But here, evaporation is the opposite process of condensation because evaporation mean liquid change into gas. Condensation mean gas change into liquid. Anything is hard?
No. Yeah.
So you can compare between the four processes.
Yeah.
Who can start?
Yeah.
I say first, and you must focus.
Okay.
I have four processes. First, melting. solid state change into liquid state by heating, and evaporation. Liquid state change into gas state by heating else, and condensation. Liquid state or gas state change into liquid state by cooling, and freezing. Liquid state change into solid state by cooling else. So I can look at this figure and discuss. Who can start?
Can I be the last one?
Okay, Mariam.
Can I be the second?
Noor, okay. Sorry, Tal. Let's start. And I can help you. Let's talk about melting, Rital. Melting begin with any matter. Make sure
What,
in the
teacher?
mic بتاعك unmute. Melting process. Start
Yeah.
with any matter.
With solid.
Perfect. Solid change into change into what? Liquid.
Liquid.
Solid change into liquid. By what? Heating or cooling?
What?
By heating or by cooling?
Heating.
Excellent. You're perfect, Rital. And evaporation. Liquid change into what?
Liquid.
Yes, change
Into gas.
into gas. By what? Heating or cooling?
Heating.
Heating else. Perfect, Rital. And the condensation. Gas change into what?
Water.
Liquid by heating or cooling?
By cooling.
Perfect. And the last one is freezing. Liquid change into what?
Liquid change in ice.
Ice, this, any solid.
What?
Ice in any solid. Solid in any matter. Solid or liquid or gas?
Solid. Solid.
Solid. Okay. By what?
Freezing.
Freezing mean heating or cooling?
Cooling.
Cooling. So you're perfect. I see matter change into another matter by heating or cooling. This is easy. Noor, you can start.
Yeah, I can. Teacher, you are with
Yes.
me?
Yeah.
Solid will be liquid and the heating.
Yes. Solid to liquid by heating and evaporation.
Liquid will be gas and heating.
By heating, perfect. And the condensation?
Gas will be liquid.
By
Cooling.
excellent. And freezing?
By cooling.
But teacher,
What
gas
happened
will
by
be liquid
cooling
by
in
cooling
freezing?
half.
Water be solid.
Yes, liquid change into solid. Thank you,
Teacher.
Noor. You're perfect. Yes.
How the gas change to liquid by the cooling?
Like this picture. When you heat like this, and here heat, so increase in temperature. And when this water vapor condense on this plate, this decrease the temperature. So I can see the water again. Do you make this process ever?
Yes, I make it, but how it's cooling? Cooling like freezing, right?
No, cooling is degree. Cooling, not freeze. Cooling mean decrease the temperature. I decrease the temperature 1 degree and I decrease the temperature 100 degree. So I have
Okay.
many levels of cooling. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay. You
Yes,
can start.
teacher. Yeah, let's start.
Start with melting. Melting mean
Melting means the solid it's
change into
the solid change in liquid by heating.
excellent. And evaporation
Liquid that change to gas by
heating or cooling?
cooling.
No.
Heating.
Yes, melting and evaporation by heating, but condensation?
And gas to liquid by cooling.
Perfect.
Liquid to solid by cooling too.
Excellent. So anything is hard. Do you have any question?
No.
No, thank you, teacher.
Are you enjoyed?
Yeah, so much.
And me a lot.